Good morning, dear students. In today's lecture, we will discuss about broaching machines. So broaching is a machining process, as we discussed earlier, for removal of a layer of material, usually in one stroke, by a cylinder rod or bar type cutter having a series of cutting edges with gradually increased protrusion as indicated in figure. So in broaching, the cutting tooth is progressively increased. That is the main difference between other cutting tool and broaching tool, that the cutting tooth is increased in a successive manner. So in methods of broaching, there are 5 methods of broaching: external broaching, internal broaching, pull broaching, push broaching, and continuous broaching. So these are the 5 basic methods of broaching. Then we classify the broaching machines according to direction of broach travel, in which direction the broach travel. We categorize broaching machines. So in horizontal broaching machine, the broach tool moves in horizontal direction, and in vertical broaching machine, the tool moves in a vertical direction. According to method of operation, so there is pull broaching machine, push broaching machine, surface broaching machine, and continuous broaching machine. These are categorized according to method of operation. And next, according to the method of drive: mechanical drive, pneumatic drive, and hydraulic drive. So these machines are categorized according to the method of drive used to run the machine. According to type of operation: external broaching machine and internal broaching machines. So if the broaching operation is performed on the external surfaces, then it is called as external broaching machine. When internal, then it is called internal broaching machine. So this is the schematic and the diagram of horizontal broaching machine, and it is a usually pull type used for external and internal broaching. And in this machine, the ram is operated hydraulic. So you can see that in the horizontal broaching machine, the broach tool moves in a horizontal direction, and in vertical direction, the broach tool moves in a vertical direction, both having some advantages and disadvantages. We will discuss it later. So in vertical machine, it may be a push type or pull type. This name suggests that the broach is held vertically, and it can be operated hydraulically, or electromechanical drive can be used to operate this machine. And it is used generally for mass production. And in continuous broaching machine, the workpiece rotate continuously. This is a difference between the horizontal and vertical. The workpiece rotate continuously. That is why it's called continuous broaching machine. And it is generally used for mass production of small workpieces. It may be of rotary type or horizontal type. In rotary machine, rotatable is used, workpiece is indexed, and broaching is done. It's very simple. In horizontal machine, you can see in the figure that the conveyor continuously moves and broach remains steady. So the broach tool remains steady and the workpiece moves continuously. So these are the some broaches, broaching slots that are produced by the broaching process. You can see that there is a round process, single keyway, square, round, double cut, hexagon. So there are a variety of geometries of the slots, and the recesses can be produced by the broaching machine. Rectangular, spline, internal gear. So you can see that there is a difference between the tool, how the tool is used. And but the main thing is in the broaching tool is that they have a successive increase in the protrusion. So now we talk about the advantages of broaching. It is very important.